Asidlele mali swasebenzeni imali. Asidlele mali swasebenzeni futhi.
He is a leader at heart and he believes strongly in contributing towards the well-being of the people. He resets, he redistributes, and he rebuilds communities. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Mr. Duduzane Zuma.
I've been asked to speak about the South African dream, and there are a few points that I'll touch upon. The first one being patriotism. I remember I lived in India. I did a lot of business there. I continue to do so. And the one thing that I found very inspiring and very emotional is in cinemas. Before every feature film is played, people stand up, they play the national anthem on the screen, they sing their anthem, and then you can watch your Mission Impossible 6 or whichever number it's on. And the reason why I found that very important is it reminds us who we are, where we're from. The national anthem is just not a song that is sung just for the sake of singing it. It's got meaning, it's got history, especially when it comes to ours. It's got a very deep history. So, patriotism, first point on my discussion, my presentation on the South African dream. And I feel like that is something that is lacking. It's something that we need to revive in this country. Second point is diversity. The South African dream is a very diverse dream. And if we take a look around the room, I think it speaks to that. If you look, there's everyone from probably every racial background that exists in this country, traditional, cultural, religious. It's been a talking point. It's been also a very negative talking point. But I think it's something that we need to take up as a strength. I think what makes South Africa and unique to where we are in the world is our diversity. A lot of people don't have don't have answers to some of the issues that exist on a racial basis. But I think it's something that we should look at. We shouldn't be afraid of each other. And I always say this, and this I think dictates part of my political journey. And I'm clear from the onset. If we're not going to work together from the different backgrounds,